Hello children, welcome to you in my channel. Today I am going to teach 5th class chapter 4. What chapter? 4, fractions, exercise 3. Up to exercise 2 I taught in the last chapter. Today from page number 58 we will continue. Okay, so exercise 3. So look here, the first question says that compare, that is tell whether greater than, less than or equal to. In fractions, how we will tell this one? Let me solve you first a question. It's a 1 number question. A number is telling 3 by 5 in between and 1 by 5. 3 upon 5 or 1 upon 5. Now first of all, you see that the denominators, what? The denominators are same or not. If they are same, no need to do anything, just you have to see the numerator. If both are same, see the numerator. Which one is bigger? 3 is bigger. If denominator is are same, if denominators are same, if they are different, what will happen? Look a question number D number question. Look, D number question. 11 by 13, okay, and 11 by 15. 11 by 13 and 11 by 15. Now see here, numerators are same, no connection with numerators, only denominators should be same, but here they are different, denominators are different. If denominators are different, what you have to do? You have to take the LCM of 13 and 15. LCM of 13 and 15. So how it will come? 13 ones are. Look here, up to this we have completed. We have to take the LCM now. So how we will take the LCM? Just see. 13 and 15 is there. So after doing this one, see here what numbers you got? 13 and 15. 13 into 15. What you will get? 5 3 are 45. 15 3 are 45. 15 490 195. Okay, 195 you will get. So what you have to do? You have to convert this as 195. 11 by 13 into 15 into 15. 11 by 15 into 13 into 13. Okay, 15 into 11, 5, 165. 165 by 13 into 15, how much it is? 195. Okay, similarly 13 143 143 by 195. Now which one is bigger? This one is bigger. Same denominators. Now this one is bigger, so you will put like this. Clear? Understood how you have to do? Again I am telling this one. First, if the denominators are different, you will take their LCM and then you have to make equivalent fractions. What you have to make? Both them you have to make equivalent fractions like this. Then only you are able to solve this question. Clear? Okay. Do the same like this in the D number question. In the 1 number question, same you have to do. If both are same, you have to put equal to. Then 3rd number, write a 2nd number. Write every question in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Okay. So here also same we will use. Question number 2. Ascending order. Okay, so look the first question. 3 upon 5 by 2 upon 5 by 1 upon 5, and last is 4 upon 5. See, first all the denominators are same, means all are like fractions. They are the like fractions. So like fractions, nothing you have to change, simply you have to take the upper one. Like fractions are there if denominators are same. First 1 by 5, then 2 by 5, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 5. This is your answer. Okay, in case if they are all same, if they all are not same, like look question number C. C and D questions are same to same. So I am telling C number question. So look question number C, 3 by 5, 7 by 13, 7 by 12, 7 by 9, and 7 by 11. How we will do this one? A simple way is, let the numerators be same. You have to just write 7 by 11, from the lowest, 7 by 9, 7 by 11, 7 by 12, 7 by 13. This is the easiest one. Okay, understood? You have to see whether the denominators and numerators are same or not. Next is 3 number, descending order, just the opposite. I will not do that one, you can do. I think you can do. 3 number question you have to do in the reverse order, means big to small you have to make. That you can make. Okay, very good. Then 4th number question, reduce the following fraction in their lowest term. Okay, 4 number, reducing to lowest term. Okay, so look the first one, a number 12 by 16. Tell a table where both are present. 2 table, 2 6 is 12, 2 8 is 16. Okay, then 4 table also, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16. So which is the bigger number, 2 or 4? 4. So 4 we will take. 12 division 4 divided by 16 division 4. Both should be the same number, not different numbers. Now 12 division 4 is 3, 16 division 4 is 4. Understood? Very simple. If you don't know this one, you can do the division in your rough copy. Okay, one more question. Let me take H number question. 54 and 66. 66 is present in 11 table, but 54 is not present. So what we will take? We will take by 6 table. 54 division 6, 66 division 6. Now 6 9s are 54. So 54 division 6 is 9. 66 division 6 is 11. Solved. Okay, so this is the completion of your exercise 3. If you didn't understood, then you can ask me. Okay, again I am telling, 3 number is same like 2 number, but it is in descending order. That's it. Clear? Only descending order you have to write. Same. Okay. Now let me rub this one and I will tell Exercise 4. Exercise 4, 1 number question. Same. Fill in the blanks with greater than or less than symbol. Greater than or less than symbol, you have to fill in. How you will fill in? So look, A number question. 5 upon 12 and 4 full 1 by 3. First of all, convert this one into improper fraction. 5 by 12 equals to 4 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 13. 13 by 3. Okay. Now see, both the denominators are different. Make it 12. How? 5 by 12, 3 into 4, 13 into 4. Okay, again I am telling, you have to make them both 12. 5 by 12, 13 4 is 52, 3 4 is 12. Now which one is bigger, 5 or 52? 52 is bigger. Okay, this one is like this. One more question let me solve for you. Look, question number C. No, C. Question number B, you see. Question number B. 1 full 1 by 10. 1 full 7 by 15. 10 ones are 10 plus 1, 11 by 10. 15 plus 7, 22 by 15. Okay, nothing is there. Now take 10 and 15 LCM. 5 2s are 5 3s. 10 10 3s are 30. 30. Answer will come 30. So now 30 we have to make it. I am rubbing this portion. 30 we have to make. 10 into how much is 30? 10 3 is 30. Very good. Now 11 by 10 into 3 into 3. Similarly 22 by 15. 15 2 is 30 into 2. Understood? Very easy. 11 3 is 33 by 10 3 is 30. 22 4 2 is 44 by 15 is 30. Now see, denominators are same, numerators are different. This one is bigger. So like this you have to do the first number question. Understood? Very nice. Then the second number question. This is little bit different. Not like the third exercise. Okay. Look here. Question number 2. Arrange in ascending order. That is small to big. Small to big we have to make it. So look, one question. A number. 3 by 16. 7 by 8. 11 by 32. And 3 by 4. Now see. All the questions here, their denominators are different and their numerators are also different. Numerators are different, denominators are different. Only you have to see the denominator portion. Okay. So we will write here in the rough LCM of 16, 8, 32 and 4. Clear? Now 4 table. 4 8 is 2 table, because this is prime factorization. 2 8 is 16, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 6 is 12, then 2 2 is, this is 16 2 is 32. Okay. Now next 2 table. 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are. Again 2 table, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then again 2 table, 2 1s are 1s are 2s are 1s are. Then again 2 table. Finished? Now you have to do how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This I have taught in the previous chapter. Okay, now 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. How much it came? 32. You have to change every term into 32. First 3 by 16. How much will become 32? 16 2s are 32. How much it came? 6 by 32. Okay. Next is 7 by 8 into 8 into how much is 32? 8 4s are 32. 7 4s are 28 by 32. Next I am rubbing this one. Now already it is 32, no need to do anything. 3 by 4 into how much? 8s are 32, 24. Now finished. Now simple you have to do. You have to take the smallest one. This is the smallest one. 6 by 32. You should not leave the denominator. After 6, 11 by 32. After 11, 24 by 32. Then 28 by 32. Clear? So this is the solution. Like this you have to do. Then third number, arrange in the following descending order. Same. Only big to small you have to make it. Okay. Let it be for today. In my next video, I will post you the fifth exercise. So here I am writing question 3 is same like question 2, only you have to do is big to small. Same process, same like this process. Okay, try this one. If not, you can answer me or you can call me. I'll make you understand. Okay, thank you.